What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be unboxing the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360, and let's get into it. Alright, so it does come in this cardboard box first, and here's the computer itself in all of its white box glory. It's a pretty slim box though, so we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. I'm gonna try not to cut myself. Bay is my camera girl today. Try not to take too long for y'all, but I'm just go over it briefly and let y'all see the design and everything, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I like it in a future video. But inside the box, first and foremost, you got the charging brick right here. That's just a little sleeve. It comes fully protected. Right, I opted into the silver color. All right, so I'm gonna get those shots. Samsung logo like this. The weight on it isn't too bad. I actually like the weight on this computer. And also in the box, you got the power cord, you have the S Pen, and you have a little booklet and whatnot, but I'm gonna play around with the pen later. So let's open up the computer. You're supposed to be able to open it with one hand. And this is basically the MacBook's equivalent. So I'm gonna be testing videos. So everything it can do is for its AirDrop to the MacBook. You can quick share to this like Apple, but that's Samsung's feature. And look at that screen. Also, this computer can bend in 360, so you can either have it set. You move that out the way. You can set it like this when you're wanting to use it, or you can put it in tablet mode and actually use it like this. And I hope there's some juice on it. I'm gonna power it up just for a second so y'all can see the display. And then we're gonna end it right there. So let's see if it has any juice. All right, so now that it has a little juice, I'll let you guys see the display of the screen. It's really, really sharp, even though it's just 1080, but AMOLED makes it look a lot better. And I wanna show you a few things that only this computer can do. Right here, as you see, I have my Galaxy S22 Ultra. So if you're into making videos, I'm gonna show you how to quick drop a picture to your computer. So if you look here and see the quick share icon down on the bottom right here, you can open this up. And you shouldn't have to actually have this open, but I just wanted to have this open to show you guys how it would look. So I'm gonna let that load up. And also let's go into my phone and show you how to quick share real quick. So what photo do I want to send? All right, so now that quick share is up, you can see the name Jeremiah's S22 Ultra right there. So it did find my phone, and now I'm going to send a photo to my computer. So let's quick share, and we're going to pick the computer. And it's connecting. All right. Sending it, and voila, it's sent. So you can choose to open it either with Samsung Gallery. I'm not going to actually show the picture, but that's just the way that you know that you don't have to plug in any cables or anything. And speaking of cables, it does come with 2 USB-C slots on the side. On the other side, you do have a SIM card, not a SIM card, I'm sorry, a memory card slot as well, and an aux cord spot right here, and another USB-C. So you have a couple of ports to work with. Also, I want to show you guys the S Pen feature. Give me 1 second while y'all enjoy that beautiful display. Now, let's just say if you guys wanted to have it in tablet mode, the S Pen is going to come in handy with that. So with this S Pen, let's just say if I double tap here, I can either, let's go ahead and just drag this and close this out. So you see it works flawlessly. You can close things out. Tap on that just to kind of show you it does work. Let's see if I can give y'all a quick note in my Samsung notes real quick. Come on. All right, we're gonna skip all of that. I just want to show you that we can write on the screen. Let's see, add note, blah, blah, blah. Individual pages. There, let's see. It's bright right now, but you can change the color. You can change the font of your writing and everything. But that's crazy that you can actually write on the screen of a computer with a pen. So if you're into taking notes or doing anything for class, this will make a great school computer as well as for shooting videos because of the quick share feature. But that's basically a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. Let me know how y'all like this video. I'm going to do a follow-up video and tell you guys how it renders videos and how it performs and how the heating is on it and how much I actually like it versus my MacBook. But subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.